Nobody can bring me down. Nobody swim. Am I You can't get my mom.
What's going on, Pauline's One? So the video is going to be on Queen Lady Gangster, and it's a 2-in-1. The first is going to be our feature in the star of her and Dewey. The comments over there are ridiculous. If you want, you can go look over the star for yourself. I'm not going to share them. I'm going to share one positive one, but the rest are ridiculous. And then she went live with Richie Feelings, and then we'll take it from there. You can like, share, subscribe, and do all and look at extra foolishness if you want to choose. So on to the star first, and then Richie Feelings, alright?
Anyway, I don't know if I'm going to well, do it. This is your engagement. If that's how we have to engage. The wedding is coming soon, but ready for it. Connect to connect. I'm the one friend who's going to get married at the seafront as well.
Upset.
That wants. He making me to live down in green pasture. He leaded me beside the still water. He restored my soul. Which you feel is, a long time you give me life. You know that. Pick up yourself. You give me life and I respect you. And whether your program yes or no, my hats off to you. I'll tell you something, Richie. Every morning I get up, when I go up on my Instagram, I get crazy, disgusting messages. Sometimes I laugh, sometimes I don't pay them mind, but I'm only human. You get what I'm saying, Dan?
Right.
At the end of a good day, people's opinion when I not ask is not confess on social media. And it's there. So when I say, when I have words to write about me, I mean I have no feelings, I just ignore chat. I'm an artist, I'm a queen. I have my own problem, my own feelings, my own business. And every day, I preach so much positive energy. I do my music, them Richie. My dad Jamaica, I do 10 songs in the 4 months I'm here. Them say I can't sing, a foolishness, I'm a non-stop. Every day them trouble me, I'm avoid them. And when me send them in at the deepest part of me now, you got to hear some old man, me have pitney. Me not listen to blood clot pitney. Me give them life already. I'm a look about them, my youngest at 18, my oldest at 33. One of bird me every day over, do it maga, do it young. If do it a lizard, I'm a blood clot cherry. We are together. Whether I don't like it, yes or no. It's not none of our choice. It's not none of our life. Why I get up every day with all this horribleness? Me is not a negative woman until I bring negativity to me. So at the end of a good day, the woman know. Left on my page, I write in a Richie. So I run over her DM and tell her, say, I want to show some action to her son them. Because her statement was about her sons. So she brought her kids into it. So her kids to kids. You bring your pitney in there, me bring back your pitney in there. Anybody trouble me pitney, me trouble back for them pitney. I trouble for blood clot. Trouble wanna feel like me cantankerous, me want hag, me want shit out, me want dog shit, me want goat shit, me want cow shit. Me's all blood clot purpose. The good, the bad, and the indifference. Well, me are the indifference. I really feeling tired of it.
You know, land in a
England, listen, Richie. When me there in England, I may jump up and down Richie Feelings. I try to skill my left and my right hand, my right knee, my left ankle. I'm still jump like chick chick. Last year, next kind my crosses, and then say me not to send out compliment me to take it for. I'm not having it because I don't feel settling myself. I mean, I feel settling on myself. Me have to defend myself. I just a situation, Richie. I don't hold grudge. So if you fuck with me tomorrow, I say, Richie Feelings, the head big. Fuck off. I'm done.
Nobody come in the crosses. Queen in the passes.
I'm Viva Channel, Richie. I'm telling you, 1 week, I sit down like blood clot with my hand on my jaw. I look forget subscribers. You hear what I'm saying, Richie Feelings? Me have 170 followers, and yes, every day them trouble me. I'm still and I watch my blood clot Viva feet grow, and it now gonna go. I come tell me about, and I survive, me a God. If I ever spit or me sweat, me know if I lick it and comfort myself. Right now my mouth dry, and I'm a saliva and I'm a sweat me I use and survive. None of you can break blood clot me. I was born chosen. Hey.
Queenie, you don't say you don't cuss long time. A long time you don't cuss, you know, Queenie. Look how long you hold it. Look how long you hold it, Queenie. Last week, I see you go on Valentine's Day, something we do it. I do a much interview. I there, I'm see one video. When I comment on and say blood clot, because you have one song where you do you sing feedback, you sing feedback. And me I say bumbo clot. Look like the Queenie find it again.
Come on, Richie man. But there England every minute, security spit for me. I mean, I say, I'm a fan, my talent right. I say, you know, Jamaica music ground. God do good different studio and go and build up my little catalog. And it's like, me like people them also when them want shit, them have to say, Queenie, open me a battle, make me shit for you. Because I don't understand if me have them battle why them text it for me. I'm alone in our world. What? Love no exists. One time, I say, so much filtered about that, so nothing with one bomber clot, man. After nothing about to the blood clot, and the whole honest sit down, Ash Wednesday, and take it to blood clot, joyful, joy to the fucking world. But remember, calm as a bitch. Because no find a way to laugh after me come back, come confess to me. Queenie, me need your support. When I want I done blood clot fake page, and then I tell me about, oh, fake page. So, I don't get behind the fake page, Richie. Eh?
No, a people that behind it.
Okay, so when people type horrible things about you, it not hurt you, it not burn you. And when people are chatting, man, don't know what words can, the words powerful, you know. When you see the pastor in the church with your feelings and pastor preach, and he says, Satan, I get thee behind you. And you not think I argue with Satan. And if you not trample Satan and send Satan back to the pit of hell, in church service can't operate. You know why? The work of good, bad, left, right, head, tail, sun, night. You hear me? So it's a balance. So not because you see me a cuss, I still accept the bad. Because there's no way just going to be good. Some people are saying, oh, Queen, you're hungry. I'm answer to the good comments. Me can't answer to good. I 98% I love me get rich here. I'm not ask nobody that. Because the way I love myself, if somebody give me 8% of love, me give myself 90. I see next 2 or some 100, I will win them eventually. So let me tell you something, I know my powers and my strength. And can't tell have a song say in your mind. Nobody can whine like in no time. You see, your mind are your mind. And anything me send out in the universe and say, Father God, that me want. I eat me see happen. So you see them troll will constantly trample me. I can't ignore them to an extent. Right now, I talk to you, I tremble. Come with that. Lick some girl in them face and them have to lick me back and come up. Me and them have 2 blood clot, black and blue eye, like when man beat out your blood clot. And some of that butter some blood clot girl and them have to batter me back. Let it out. So don't sit there and don't take people life.
Queenie, hear this. Yeah. Remember, every time you come out on the live, yeah, it's always something, you know. The last time you come out on the live, yeah, you know. And when you go talk to the cow, them, you know, I mean, I tell the people, them say, leave her alone, you know. I say, leave her alone. Remember, you know, I last time that you come on my page, now you come on back again and I cuss people. Queen, me don't want you cuss the people. Hear this now? You cuss them and done. Me don't want to hear that. I want to hear about your new song. Come remember, me going to turn in on my new artist. Because, remember, you know, we know say love is love, right? We know say love is love. And we can't stop you from love. Because I guess so you love who you want love. And you want who you want. But you see the song where you sing with Do It, made it have a cause a bad word. Made it have a cause a bad word when I see the song. You're doing the studio sing the song. I'm say, Jesus Christ, whoa, murder. I'm going to cause back a thing. Watch this song.
You pum pum while out the weed from the truck. Clean you go and fuck. And that you want you.
And that boy here.
I'm play purity. Yes.
Real as fuck, wine from my cocky to the dog. I pump fat like ocean from a truck. Stay here, you make my phone. You jump from Spain, wine from my cocky to the dog. I pump fat like the way from a truck. Stay here, you make my phone. You jump from Spain, you're bright like the sun on my world like this. I will love your girl, I will never diss. The shape on your looks, girl, got me reminisce.
Watch that! We there, do that!
I make my fucking weed now. Call a girl, threesome. I be a fuck. Come to spray for my face. Yeah, like me, yeah, fuck. One from the cocky to the dog. The phone from the head from the trap. Me, you know my fuck. The jump from Spain, I can go.
Them would even leave me alone, man.
Leave Queenie.
Yeah.
Queenie. Let me tell you this, Queenie. You're a woman when I follow up, right? Remember, I follow you up, right? I do my remix and say my cocky clean, say my cocky hot.
Yeah.
Say the girl love to see a lot of that. Them say me juice is coming like a sour sauce. Them I want if I really rich with that. Them I want if I really rich with that. Pull a chat, now take it back. Pull a
I am no Richie at. Say your cocky clean, say your cocky hot. Say if any cocky give a girl a that Richie. Say the girl love to get all of that cock. Hey, they want to say you just like a what up. Hey, when it's Richie, they want to go to hey. Double tap.
They want double tap. Queenie, you see it? And the Queenie I'm love. I can't take the Queenie with love ball and cuss. You know, say, if I didn't live in Jamaica, right? Me have to make me go down and mad and make them pay with the ball. Because you have enough high water. You love ball too much.
No, I'm vexed. My ball, my emotional, nothing wrong with that. Because it don't mean I'm weak. It means if I don't let that out, I go bust. Pressure bust pipe. So when I pressure me, I can't get to kick them up and thumb them up. My balls. Yeah.
So,
but
remember,
and I can't break my spirit.
Look, remember say, you know, most of the people that depend on live, yeah, them like you, you know.
Yeah.
Remember them like you. And you don't know we are.
Big up on yourself, yeah.
Right? So remember, you know, you say some whole heap of thing, you know. You say yes because you're blessed. Remember you say that, you know.
Yeah.
Remember you say that, you know. And you come out and you say some whole heap of something, you know.
Mr. You glad to God.
Remember, I'm glad to God. Yes, I'm glad to God.
Say yes, God, you're blessed.
Right? So you have
Mr. Girl power. Mr.
And you say girl power. But, may I tell you something, Queenie? Remember, everybody know you're an idiot, you know. Remember, your head chip when you're ready, but you're an idiot. And remember, one thing me learn is when time people trouble you, alone your cuss. Right? Because you know, cuss after body. You may see you, and your face get fat. And you go with all kind of stuff. Remember, I watch you out. Remember, I watch you out. I see, I'm watch you out, and I say, look how she look happy, she can do it. Right? And you just live your life where you got mobile. Remember you got St. Thomas. Remember the last time you got country, a cow you got ball to. And then you got country. Right? So now you got country and you don't go look for no cow. I don't see no cow, I don't see no goat. Right? I don't see no fowl. Right? So you're not about to no cow. Right? Yeah. So when you come address the nation, remember people wake up and look for see what Queenie is saying, you know, all wicked Aisha, you know. I remember I like her, you know, but I'm a friend. I love you wicked. Aisha England, yeah? I have a friend too. She wicked, but I don't like her. She wicked.
Oh, I'm such a friend. Aisha nice.
She nice.
Well, you must know why. What me know say you have something in your heart, Karen. And I look for you. Aisha a good girl.
Yeah. So Queenie, you see like how you laugh now and I go on and I say, and I ball out for do it. I remember this, you know. Let me tell you this, Queenie, when me never see it. Me never see nobody bash nobody so yet when them have a man. Never, ever, ever, ever yet. Me never see it yet. Remember the first picture where you post, you know, you post with the man in a glass, or the first picture that you post, you know.
Yeah.
Remember, you know.
I'm Mr. Jamaica sweet, man, him sweet, my son.
Remember, so you put up the picture, you know. And when you put up that picture there, all of a sudden everybody said, Jesus Christ, look them now, whoa, murder. And then all of a sudden when you come out and address the nation, the first time you address the nation, they said, do it fuck if you Joe Plum. Remember you said that, you know. And I mean, says, you know, you say, love him. Him give me 2 plum and him nice and this and that. I will me look and say, bam. You come back again. I'm say, no, something about doing make queen fly in so. Right? And then I say, do it them clean. Zane, because every man, the people them say one thing, do it clean up in place every day. All when them know when they sweep, do it sweep. Do it sweep off all the dirt off the wall.
Full of energy. Good
Do it sweep the whole
connection.
community. So everybody knows say, yo, do it them. Who know him, know him. The friend them not gonna like it, family not gonna like it, but from who don't like it, make them bite it.
Right, they say it, they
I told man, I used to Richie. Me never see nobody in a couple will get bashed. So me,
Never, 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 never.
look how much
Remember
strength me give people. You know how much people me give strength and support a man in time. So long as sing and pray for people. By my direct message, I may say, so them wish me bad, but you know what? The positive part, me have my real royal crazy. Them would like you are one of them.
Crazy never lazy. What do you mean? Me crazy never lazy.
Double tap, sound the big dog, with your feelings in the house with a clean, attacking Queen Lady double tap gangster with June Plum love to the nation live. Crazy.
Crazy. Yeah.
Marky Mark down Jamaica, I'm gonna meet up with him. God spare my life.
All right.
Bless
Look at
up.
yourself, Queenie.
And thanks for the support, Richie. And
Every
thanks to
time.
all of my royal crazy them must support me and big up the haters them because without the haters them the game can't play. I see the more I make my ball and make me give me more strength and motivate me and elevate me and make me want to go bigger and better. So respect same way to one and all. Queen. Let's start out myself. Love you, Richie.
God is the God.
One connect, you know, see it there.
Do it. Pick up yourself.
Read them, father.
Got some more dope plum for Queenie.
I find you love my June Plum. Them vex me, I live my life. What if I think Queenie? Do we all have one between me? Hey, me pussy tight and it teeny. It's just double D, them a stream me. And I go to my Viva channel and subscribe, please, and thanks. Me deserve it. Every
Yes,
day,
you deserve it for sure.
Steady. And I go one cocoa full basket. Tell a friend, Queen Lady Gangster Viva. Blessed love to the nation. Thanks for watching, Queen. Love me tall up there. Over my youth, over my Viva. Little later, I'm gonna pick up myself, yeah? Alright, baby. Love you. Bye. Thank you.